Welcome to the human side of things. Here's a strange fact that sounds like science fiction. Right now, as you watch this video, your body is glowing. Not metaphorically, not spiritually, literally. The problem is that you cannot see it. When most people think of things that glow, they imagine fireflies, neon signs, or stars in the night sky. But scientists have discovered that the human body also emits tiny amounts of visible light. The glow is simply far too faint for our eyes to detect. Every second, trillions of chemical reactions are taking place inside your body. You are breaking down food, producing energy, repairing cells, and keeping organs functioning. During some of these reactions, especially those involving oxygen, tiny packets of light called photons are released. Scientists call this phenomenon ultra-weak photon emission. For decades, this glow remained invisible to science. Then, in 2009, researchers in Japan used extremely sensitive cameras capable of detecting single photons. They placed volunteers in a dark room and photographed the faint light coming from their bodies. What they found was remarkable. The human body does not glow evenly. The brightest areas were often the face, particularly the cheeks and forehead. Even more surprising, the glow changed throughout the day. It became stronger during the afternoon and weaker at night. In other words, your body follows a daily rhythm of light. But humans are not unique. Plants glow, animals glow. Even bacteria can emit tiny amounts of light. Unlike the bright bioluminescence of fireflies or deep-sea creatures, however, our glow is incredibly subtle. It is not meant to attract mates, communicate, or light up the darkness. It is simply a byproduct of being alive. The light comes from the chemistry of life itself. As your cells produce energy, molecules become excited and release excess energy as photons. Those photons form the invisible glow that surrounds every living person. And perhaps that is the most fascinating part of this story. Life is not only warm, it is not only active, it is not only conscious. Life is luminous. Every moment of your existence leaves behind a tiny trace of light, too faint for your eyes to notice, yet real enough for science to measure. You may never see your own glow, but it is there, quietly shining in the dark. This video is based on the blog Your Body Glows in the Dark. For more blogs exploring science, psychology, and the hidden side of everyday life, visit ecosociosphere.in.